Okay, message heard loud and clear. You love grannies. Well, I love you. I see hundreds and hundreds of you watching. Please, please, please give me a like and a subscribe. That will really help my channel to grow. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Okay, here's a new granny join. And this is a hot pad too. So you have 2 granny squares that's completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rounds on a granny square, and they're identical. So what you do is you put the wrong sides together, just like that, and then you take a contrasting yarn color and you join it now in the corners. Now you're working through both thicknesses. Now watch what I do. Okay, you just do a little chain stitch there. You're going to do 3 chains for your double crochet. We're going to work a beginning granny corner. As I go, I'm working this tail underneath all of my double crochets. So let's go. There's the second one, because that first chain 3 is going to count as a double. If I can get my yarn to work. All right, here's your next double. So that's going to be a 3 double crochet set right there. Chain 3. This is just your classic standard granny. And then you're going to do those next 3 double crochet to complete that granny corner. All right, stick with me because it's more than just joining granny squares. It is a hot pad, and I'm going to show you a little trick for your little hanger thing. All right, so we're going to chain 1 and continue across in granny square fashion with our 3 double crochet sets all the way across. So you're putting these together, and it's going to be something functional. You could sit there all day long and just make granny square hot pads. Everybody's got their little thing. My thing is doilies, and I'll do more videos on that, but right now I just want to get the basics. Oh, I'm going to start a granny square series. Yay! I know you want me to. Give me that thumbs up and that subscribe. That'd be great. Shameless plug. Yes, don't care. All right, let's see. Almost to the corner. We're going to do something. We're going to make our little hanger in the corner here. All right, so we're going to start our corner set. We're going to complete our 3 double crochets. Now I'm going to make a little loop. All right, so in the corner, when we get to the corner, we're going to chain 10. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My hook's wanting to jump out of my hand today. All right, so we're going to slip stitch into that last double crochet we just did. And now we're going to do some single crochets around that loop. You don't have to, you can leave it like that if you want to. But I want to have some single crochets, so we're going to do some single crochets, at least 10, we know that. You know what, let's just do 15 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, y'all can count. I have to scrunch them up a little bit. 14 and 15. Okay, the goal to knowing how many you need is it should lay flat. If it's all bowed up, then you don't have enough. All right, so we went all the way around. Now we're going to slip stitch again in the top of that double crochet. Hanging up on everything here. This black yarn don't want to work. All right, there we go. Now, because that was in a corner, I'm just going to chain 1 to kind of give it some grace there. And then I'm going to complete my 3 double crochet set in the corner. It gets all scrunched up when I'm working, I know. All right, there we go. Look at there. Easy peasy. Okay, we're just going to continue around in that same granny square pattern, the 3 double crochets and then the corner. And I'm gonna do that and I'll come back when I'm done. So there it is. I have finished my little granny square join hot pad. You have both of the right sides facing outward. You have your little hangy dangly thing. And then all I have to do is just weave all this back underneath all of these stitches and I'll be done. There you go. Easy peasy. Granny square hot pad.